this is the government's plan to start buying up properties, buying up buildings, refurbishing them across the country. Hopefully the first year it'll bring about 800 school places. What strikes me about this programme or this initiative is that, and I think we said this actually before a few weeks ago when we were talking about the VAT cut on apartments, this is something that really has to work, because we know that there's chronic undersupply of places. I think 40,000 children are on waiting lists for childcare places at the moment. Not getting into the affordability side of things and the massive promise of the €200 per child per month cap, which the government says it'll be over the course of the government that they will be achieving that. But it really is one of those strategies that 800 places is such a small dent. It's a drop in the ocean in terms of 40,000 school places. This really is an initiative that just they have to get right.
And the fact that it informed so much of their pre-election promises, and that promise by Fine Gael in particular to have it published how they would get to the €200 in the first 100 days in office. So they had a great sense of emergency and urgency around this at the time of the election. But also they have to get it right, not just for, children and ensuring that there are the, adequate and safe and secure and healthy, services in place, but also because there is a employment, in this country is reaching full capacity. In Ireland, and there's a need to increase employment, and one of the ways that can be done is through engaging more women in the workplace. And so long as there are inadequate provisions of childcare and women can't return to work because they can't get childcare places, that is taking a cohort of women out of the workforce.